I think this game is wrong kay nakita na ko mga weird things ani. I haven't seen them. Pero dogi na kanining game na created in 4018. Ambot lang unsa year ni create pero wala siya mga disturbing things. Kita mo na. Nasa mga disturbing things. Like what is this? It disappeared. What the heck? What the fuck? Hello? Dito to disappear! Nasaan na siya? Oh my god. Hala, tara. So, alam mo guys, kita mo na siya. Ay, happy good hindi siya real player. Pero kulay black. Tara na sa do! Tara guys, nawala. Ayan, so, this is the game I'm talking about. So, that we discovered this game. Pero, Bisaya tayo. Ayan, pero kaning game ani, popular siya, bisag old na siya. Pero creepy things. Look at, unsa mo na guys? O, kita mo na guys? O, tara o. Kita, nawala. Kyle, did you see that? Lakaw lang siya there. Hindi na mag-player mo na. So, so hard to ma-find because kung masaka ka ng puno, is actually easily pwede to high speed. So, ayan, ang kani, mag-invisible ka ng gusto ba. So, yan, creepy game ni siya. Kay, alam nga, nakita mo to kaniya katong nagtakan. That's the viral... Look. Nawala. Kumato lang ka 4 meters, mawala mo. Kung every meter, doon ka ayaw matapos siya. Ubabadit ko. So, your house. Creepy game siya, basta pinaimod na talaga. So, look at that. Do we even jealous? What is this direction? Naglako siya guys. Tatanawa lagi namin. So, ang radio tester this. Og si Tol Bacon. Gabiin naman po akong kuya kay pasang sa TV. Radio test. So, ayan guys, if you play this game, it's already easy to find. It disappeared again. Why ka ni mata? Oh, sige dool. Hala! What? Bye-bye guys.